What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. Now, I haven't done a hair video in a long time, but as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be installing a SHEIN wig for the very first time. All my girlies out there, we do not buy hair from SHEIN, but I will be the one to try it for you. As you can see, I have my bonetta on, okay? And we are on our way to get our hair installed. I did not tell her it's from SHEIN, and I don't think I plan on telling her until after she installs it. I'm gonna actually show y'all the wig. It's in this bag. It's a little ombre balayage girl, and hopefully she's cute. You know, I was a little skeptical about her, but you know, it's giving fun. It's giving fun in the sun. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no, ain't got me, okay? I'm just kidding. We gonna see how it holds up. Okay, y'all, we is at the salon. I'm with my girl. I don't know if she wanna be seen right now, but I'm in the infamous cape. My girl has a cape. Get into it. And we are now about to customize this wig. Well, we're already doing it, and oh wow, I actually look insane. You know when you look at yourself and you're just like, oh, interesting. But let me show y'all. Okay, so boom, let's get right into it, girl. So as you can see, it's not customized yet. She is doing a same-day customization, which is really good because she was able to tell me that, girl, the lace and the knots were so thick. She was having such a hard time plucking the lace. So that is one thing to note, that your lace will be thick and it will require a lot of hair pulling and a lot of shedding. Okay, but let's get into this braid down though. After she was able to pluck that wig, she then decided to braid my hair down. And I love that she cares about my hair just as much as she cares about that wig. And get you a stylist who can do both, okay? Because you need your scalp taken care of, ladies. Don't just sit up here with dry scalp up underneath them wigs, baby. That's gonna get you alopecia, okay? Now, I might not have the best hairline, but it's good enough. And as you can see, she's pushing back every single bit of hair so that it'll look as natural as possible up under that lace, baby, because you do not want your edges to be showing especially when you got a style like this, blonde hair. Push some edges back, baby girl. So I don't want y'all to be mad at me. I did forget to record her melting that hair down into the lace. But never fear, it's not a tutorial. So all you guys need to know is that she's trying to color match the lace to my skin at this point, because there's no need to bleach since, you know, it's already blonde. But she is trying to color match that lace, baby. And let me tell you, I do think she did well, if I do say so myself, okay? But yeah, that is what she's doing right now. And then right after this, you'll see the magic happen, baby. Look at that. Boom! Scalpiana, baby. It was flawless, and I just couldn't believe it. Look at my face. I was so surprised because after she was talking about how hard it was to pluck, I just knew. But you know what? I never doubted my girl. I always knew that she had it in her bag. And the lace and the hairline looks so great. The wig was so snug onto my head. I know I got a big ass head, and I know I got thick hair. So, you know, she made it do what it do, and she made it look great. So let's get into this melt. So she is using bold hold glue, and I believe she did about 3 layers, and she did the process of putting it on and letting it dry. Now you about to see her slide that baby to the front, and baby, watch the magic happen. Now earlier I did say this was a 3x6 wig, I believe, but it's a 3x4. So you don't get the excess you know, fabric and lace that you would get on a 13x6, but she made it work and she made it look amazing. So that's what we're watching here. So boom, I'm under the dryer, baby. I am waiting to see what this melt is about to look like. I know we're all in anticipation, so let me get to it. The band is off, baby. The band is off, and it's free my hairline, because look at that. Look at how it already looks like scalp, and she hasn't even finished tearing the lace off yet. So I am super excited to see what this looks like. Here she's finally melting it back down. She's going in for that second melt, because with wigs like this, you really can never be too careful. And I wanted a middle part style, so you're going to see a lot of that front lace, which is what we're trying to avoid. And I think the colors on this wig are beautiful. I think they did a great job with the colors, because she was able to easily distribute the hair on either side. And she did mention that there wasn't too much parting space for a side part, so I'm glad that we were able to go with the middle part. And boom, look at how that's looking right in the middle already. And she gave me baby hairs. I didn't even have to ask or explain what I wanted. She just already knew. That's my girl. Look at her going in, doing her due diligence, melt the melt. So now we're getting into styling. As you can see, we're going for just a luscious curl look. I wanted something that was timeless, classic with this blonde hair. You know, colors could be a lot, so you want to go with the simpler styles at times. And this is just what I wanted, something easy to maintain in this heat, baby, because it is hot. Okay, I don't know where it is, where y'all at, but it's in the middle of July, about to head into August, and we needed a simple style. So these curls were beautiful. I love the way that they came out. Okay, y'all, so we are coming around to the end of this process, and can I say I am very impressed by the results so far. She's just customizing my baby hairs, you know, cutting off that extra hair and giving it that more realistic look of, you know, what a baby hair should be, not long edges. Okay, so because we don't like that over here. But yeah, right now she's just customizing my edges that she has carved out for me so graciously, girl. And then we get to revealing of the curls. So at first, I'm not gonna lie, this was looking a little bit iffy for me, because you know I like my curls to come out luscious. I like them to come out nice. But you know, you just have to see it through, my boy. So this is one of the trust the process types of things. I knew that it would turn out great in the end, but obviously you can see right now it's not looking too hot, because she just took it down. But you know, you gotta give my girl time. Let her cook. Let her cook. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. How did my girl do? I cannot wait to show my man this look. He gonna be gassed. He gonna be just gagged up. But she did so good. I'm gonna put all her information in my bio. And yeah, this is the end product, y'all. Like, what do y'all think? Let me know. Let me know if we ate or did we eat. I don't even got makeup on. Like, can you imagine when I put my full look together? Oh, can't wait. Like my hair, babe?
I love it. She did a great job.